वेल्डिंग मशीन है, वेल्डिंग।
यहाँ आ जाइए क्वेश्चन नंबर। Here we are having two robots. This one is CMT welding robot. Its model number is IRB 2600. Its payload is 12 kg. Its reach is 1.65 meter and it's having total 6 axes. For the programming purpose, we are having this flex pendant, or we can call it teach pendant. The software that we are using here in this flex pendant is robotware software, and for the offline purpose means with the help of the computer we do programming. The software that we are using here is Robot Studio software. We do programming there and we can copy it from this USB board here. I will just show you a demo program that I made for the corner joint welding. Just a drag drive. In this, robot will go weld the corner joint. Each and every step you will have to do the programming. The language